कभी सर्विस लॉ में एक सिंगल वर्ड आपकी पूरी लीगल पोजीशन चेंज कर देता है, एंड दैट वन बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट इज अप्रूव्ड एंड कंफर्म्ड। दोनों वर्ड सुनने में बहुत सिमिलर लगते हैं, बट लीगली द डिफरेंस बिटवीन देम कैन डिसाइड योर टेन्योर, योर पेंशन, your seniority, and sometimes even your entire career. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my fourth video, and honestly, before starting today's discussion, I just want to thank you for giving such an amazing response on my last video. Your comments, your likes, your support genuinely motivate me to create many such legal content in a simple and practical way. So today we are going to discuss the very important topic under service law, that is approved versus confirmed. अब जनरली लोगों को लगता है लगता है कि अगर किसी एम्प्लॉय की अपॉइंटमेंट अप्रूव हो गई है तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो परमानेंट भी हो गया होगा, बट लीगली स्पीकिंग दैट इज कंप्लीटली इनकरेक्ट। और इसी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग की वजह से सर्विस लॉ में बहुत सारी डिस्प्यूट्स अराइज होते हैं रिलेटिंग टू प्रोबेशन, टर्मिनेशन, pension, seniority, and even constitutional protection under Article 311. So, in this video, we are going to cover what do we mean by mm, approval under service law, what legally amounts to confirmation, what do we mean by probation, and courts including what court includes Supreme Court have repeatedly clarified. So let us first begin with what do we mean by approval. Simple language में समझना हो तो approval का मतलब होता है permission या sanction granted by competent authority. For example, suppose किसी डिपार्टमेंट ने कैंडिडेट को सेलेक्ट किया है और अपॉइंटिंग अथॉरिटी ने अपॉइंटमेंट को अप्रूव कर दिया हो, इसका मतलब सिर्फ इतना है कि अथॉरिटी इज अलाउड द अपॉइंटमेंट टू टेक इफेक्ट, बस उसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं। बट दिस डज नॉट ऑटोमेटिकली मीन दैट एम्प्लॉय हैज बिकम परमानेंट। और यही सर्विस लॉ का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्टिंक्शन है। अप्रूवर इज द only the entry gate into service, whereas it is not the final destination. Most government services may, once appointment is approved, the employees enters probation. Now let us understand what do we mean by probation. Probation basically एक testing या assessment period होता है जहाँ employer evaluate करता है employee का conduct, discipline, performance, efficiency, and overall suitability for the post. So even though the employee is already working, salary भी मिल रही है उन्हें और ऑफिशियल ड्यूटीज भी परफॉर्म कर रहा है, बट लीगली द स्टेटस will always remain conditional. In simple words, approved employee still under observation. और इसी रीजन से during probation the employer retains comparatively wider powers. अगर परफॉर्मेंस satisfactory नहीं है तो subject to applicable rules the probationer may be discharged from service. Now let us move to the second concept, that is called confirmation. यहीं पर एम्प्लॉयमेंट का लीगल कैरेक्टर कंप्लीटली चेंज हो जाता है। वो कैसे? confirmation means that after satisfactory completion of probation the competent authority finally declares the employee permanent, or once confirmation take place the employee requires the service law calls as substantive status. Now this term is extremely important because now the employee is no longer temporary, provisional, or conditional. The employee officially becomes the part of the permanent establishment, and with this comes several important legal benefits and protections. For example, security of tenure, protection under Article 311, pensionary benefits, seniority gains, rights, lien over the post, and procedural safeguards before removal. So legally speaking, approval gives entry, whereas confirmation gives permanency. Now let us understand why this distinction matters so much practically. Suppose two employees join the service at the same date, दोनों के appointments approved है, but one employee gets confirmed after 2 years while the other continues indefinitely on probation. So now despite joining together, their legal positions become completely different. The confirmed employee enjoys much stronger protection against arbitrary termination, whereas unconfirmed employee remains comparatively vulnerable. Similarly, many service disputes relating to seniority, and promotions depend upon the date of confirmation. Even pensionary and retirement benefits may depend upon confirmation under applicable service law. So, this distinction is not merely technical legal terminology. These two words can literally shape an employee's entire professional career. So, let us briefly talk about what the judiciary had said. The Supreme Court has repeatedly clarified that approval and confirmation are completely distinct concepts. Mere approval of appointment does not amount to confirmation. Confirmation always requires a separate and conscious decision by the competent authority. After कभी कभी एक सिंगल वर्ड ही पूरी लीगल आउटकम चेंज कर देता है बट बिफोर एंडिंग दिस वीडियो लेट मी समराइज द इंटायर डिस्कशन in one line. Approval allows the person to enter into this service, whereas confirmation allows that person to permanently belong to the service. This is the core distinction. I hope this video made you understand this concept in a much clear, simpler and more practical way. अगर आपको ये डिस्कशन यूजफुल लगा हो देन डू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर इट with everyone who is studying service law or preparing for judiciary examination, and subscribe to the channel for more legally discussions explained in a simpler and relatable manner. Do comments down for the topic that should be covered in next video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning, and Jai Hind.